Assalamu alaikum. If you are looking for a wazifa to get your love or to marry your love, then this wazifa is for love marriage. Is going to be very useful for you. If you read this article completely and try to understand it, then it is going to be very useful to you to get married. You will find such fun on the internet, but what you are going to read today is not going available easily anywhere else. So read this wazifa one time and read the other wazifa 100 times a day. Therefore, I will request you to read it if you want to get a wedding of your choice. Is there any wazifa for love marriage? Love marriages are considered to be very sacred in Islam as it is something that creates a beautiful bond and relation between two families and especially to a person who loves each other immensely. There is a strong wazifa named Surah Taha which is considered to be very useful to make your love life more interesting, and it will also help you in convincing your parents and other family members peacefully. So you can read this dua in the name of Allah and you will see the results of it within a short period of time. It will be very useful for you to make your love life successful. Wazifa for love marriage. Wazifa for love marriage, Surah Ikhlas. When you love marriage, when you love someone, then you want wazifa to marry someone you love. 15 years ago, people used to get married on their family's will, and now time is slowly changing. People's perception has been changed. Due to this, now people like to choose their life partner on their own, due to which their relationship starts getting in troublesome. Because of other family members, love couple face fighting and there are 200% chance of relationship deterioration because it is such a turn that either your love will be found or it will get separated from you. Dua to get married to someone you love is used only for broken couple because this wazifa is capable of connecting a broken relationship. Due to this, many brothers' life has been relocated and some brothers' house have been broken. If you do this wazifa for marriage well and at the right time, then the blessing of Allah Ta'ala in your relationship will brings a lot of happiness, and whatever odds you see in your relationship, you will get rid of them and you will be with your partner. You will start living a happy life. Steps by performing wazifa for marriage. Read at clean place. Take your partner's pictures with you. Read your partner's name 3 times. Then read Durud Sharif 3 times. Recite dua after reading Isha Namaz. Note: read Surah Al Furqan. Read 11 times. Read this dua for 3 days only. Inshallah, there will not be any problem in your relationship which was coming earlier. Wazifa for love marriage by Quran. Many loving couples are very happy with their relationship and they trust each other so that there is no limit. Those who love each other are very good from heart, who do not play with each other's feelings. They just love each other. There is no price to their love because love is a world that touches the sky. This loving couple is madly in love that they see each other with love, passion, and affection. Also, they start together, they stay together in all happiness and worries. It wants them to get married and they want to marry only those whom they love. But due to some reasons, they have to face big challenges before they get married, due to which they are unable to live their married life together. But you don't need to panic as the wazifa for love marriage in 3 days has been brought to you. By doing this, all the problems of your life will leave you, or the wazifa will slowly lead you to your desire. Just like water reaches its destination by making its way, in this wazifa, the wazifa to get married to someone you love will do its work. You should know the right way to do it before performing it. Steps to perform wazifa for love marriage. Clean your place, read dua after the Isha namaz. You have to read this wazifa given below in the image 101 times. For the wedding, he asked the Pani Bashar, Fazal Nasa and Saraha, Wakam Akrabal Dera, Surah Farkan. Write the wazifa on the white paper, pass it in the clean water after 3 days. Inshallah, within 3 days, all your troubles will be over. If you are not considered a partner, then read dua to marry someone you love. Note: girls do not read this dua during their periods.